All right, well, boys and girls, you have worked super hard today. I'm so proud of how hard you're working. I know Mommy and Daddy are proud of you too. So keep up the good job. Keep working hard. Keep doing your best, all right? Let's see what we have today. It's going to make you super hungry. What are these? All right, got some apples, don't we, boys and girls? And look, we even got a worm up there. Look at his face. All right, what do you see on my apples? Yep, you see numbers. Now, if you remember the other day, we had a pumpkin patch, and we had some numbers on the pumpkin patch. Well, today we have some apples, and I want you to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy apples. Yeah, touch your nose if you like green apples. Tap your head if you like yellow. Touch your ears if you like red. Yeah, remember back in the fall, we talked about apples. We had Apple Day, and boy, apples all are delicious, aren't they? All right, well, today, boys and girls, you're going to have to help Miss Paris because my apples need to go on top of my numbers. All right, we need to fill in the numbers. And to do that, we're going to do some takeaway, and we're going to do some add. All right, so remember, add them up, plus we join together, take away, we remove something, we subtract, we take away. We use all those different words. So here's my apple dish. All right, everybody say, yum, yum. All right, so you're going to have to help me read the math problem and then tell me what number to put my apple on. So can you help me do that? All right, I bet you can. So let's take a look. You need to look. It's a 9. Look at the mark. Take away 5. Now, if you have something in front of you that you can count out 9 and take away 5, that's fine. Maybe you just have your fingers and you have 9 and you take away 5. Whatever you have and works is fine. 9, but you take away 5. What is the answer, boys and girls? What apple? All right, you should be saying 4. So I'm going to take my apple. Do you spy? I spy a 4 on there. I think I do see it. Whoops. And look at that. Fits right there. Okay. So 9 take away 5 equals 4. All right. Let me turn him just a little so you can see the stem and the leaf. How's that? All right. Let's try another one. Pretty simple. Now it's plus. We're joining together. If you have 2 apples, plus 0 apples. You have 2, but you don't get any more. What do you still have? It stays 2, doesn't it? It stays 2. 2 plus 0 is what? It's 2. Do you spot a 2? Good job. Here's my 2. All right, I'm filling up my apple dish. I need you to keep helping me, all right? Let's try another one. 7 take away 0. So you have 7 apples, but you don't take away, you don't give away, you don't lose any. What does your answer stay, boys and girls? 7 take away 0 equals, good job, it stays 7. You didn't take any away. Do you spot a 7 on there? You spot it? Good job. There's the 7. Look at that nice apple dish. All right, let's try another one. Let's see. 8, take away, subtract, take away, 4. So you have 8. You take away 4. What do you still have left? All right, you should be saying what? Can you say it out loud? You should be saying 4. Very good. And I spotted that 4 there. Did you see that? 8 take away 4 equals 4. All right, let's keep going. 2 plus, join together, 6. So you have 2 apples. You join 6. 2 plus 6. Do you see what the answer is going to be? You see a choice up there? You should be saying 8. Do you spot an 8? Yeah, I see a few, a couple of them. We're just going to go to 1. I'm going to cover up that 8. All right, did you spot him? You can use your pointer on the video and see if you can help me with those numbers. Try not to move it so you can touch it. All right, let's try another one. 7, take away, subtract 1. So you have 7 apples. And you take 1 away, just like you roll it away. How many apples do you have left, boys and girls? 7, take away 1 equals what? All right, you should be saying 6. Do you spot a 6? Roll a hoop and make a loop. Very good. Should have had a 6. We've got many 6-year-olds in here. You guys know what a 6 looks like. All right, let's work on our apple dish some more. Let's see what we got. 3 plus 0. You had 3. You didn't join anymore, so the answer stays. What does it stay? Good. You should be saying 3. Do you spot a 3? Yep, I bet you found it fast. You're probably faster than Miss Parrots on there. 3. All right, we're filling our apple dish up. Let's keep going. All right, let's 3 plus 7. So you had 3 apples, plus you're going to join, add 7. What's 3 plus 7, boys and girls? Do you see your choice up there? All right, you should be saying 10. 10. Do you spot the 10? Remember, 10 is in the teen family. Numbers in the teen start with 1. It's a day 0 the hero came. Remember, he came every 10th. A 1 and a 0. Good. He came every 10th day. All right. Good job. Let's keep going. 3 plus 4. So you have 3 apples. Join together. 3 plus 4. What's the answer to that, boys and girls? You see it up there? All right, you should be saying 7. Do you spot it? Way over here in the corner. Good job. 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, our apple dish is filling up. Let's try another one. Let's see. 9, take away, subtract, minus, whatever word you're using, 0 equals. Okay, so you have 9 apples. You don't take any away. You're not even touching them. 9 take away 0 is what? You see it up there? All right, you should be saying 9. 9 take away 0 is 9. Okay. Let's see what our next one is. 7 plus 1. So you have 7 apples. Join 1. 7 plus 1. Do you see your choice? All right. You should be saying 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. All right. Look at that. Our apple dish is filling up. Okay. We're going to put some more tape on our apples. You guys are doing a great job. Your brain is shifting from adding to subtracting. So sometimes you're joining together and sometimes you're taking away. You just always want to make sure that you look at that special mark. Is it plus? Is it take away? All right. Let's try another one. Make sure all my apples are going to fit in my apple dish. All right, here we go. Five plus 4. Do you see what is left on our apple dish? You have 5 apples. Join 4 more. All right, you should be saying 9. I bet you guys are super fast. I'm probably not moving fast enough. You guys are on it. Good job. All right. Let's try another one. Okay. 10 take away, subtract minus 5. So you have 10. That's a lot of apples. You're going to take away 5. What's left, boys and girls? 10 take away 5 is 5 right there. Did you spot the 5 there? I bet you did. That old 5 goes over, down, and around. All right, you can see our apple dish has a few apples left. Let's see what we have still for our apples. 4 apples plus 2 equals, you see your choices left. 4 plus 2 equals, awesome. You should be saying 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, we have 2 left on our apple dish. All right, 2 left. 6 take away minus subtract 5. What is our answer? You only have 2 choices left. Take a look. Good job. 6 take away 5 equals 1. Whoops, this pair's put on the wrong one. 1 on that side. All right. Now you guys have been doing a great job adding and subtracting. We've got 1 apple left. You already know what the answer is going to be because you can see it on the apple dish, but it's super easy. 9 plus 0 equals, everybody say 9. Good job. When you add a number, 0 to any number, it's going to stay the same, isn't it? Look at our apple dish. Look at those delicious apples. You could have some apple pie. You could have some apples with some peanut butter on it. Sliced apples. Just to eat an apple is fun. Maybe an apple cake. Apple pancakes. Make us all hungry for some apples. All right, so let's go back through. We had addition and subtraction. 2 plus 0 equals 2. See if you can say it before I do. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Good. Now we're going to switch. Everybody switch your brain. We're going to go to subtraction, take away. 7 take away 0 equals 7. We're going to take any away. 8 take away 4 equals 4. Remember, subtract. 9 take away 5 equals 4. 7 take away 1 equals 6. 9 take away 0 equals 9. We didn't take any away. The number doesn't change. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Yeah, 10 take away 5. And 6 take away 5 equals 1. Good job. Can you raise the roof? You guys did a great job on those. That was great. Your brain was shifting from adding and subtracting. All right, well, boys and girls, and mom and dad, page 141, 142. This would have been a grade book page. So as much as they can do on their own or do what you can there. Of course, I would have read the story, the problem, and then they would have had to write the combination. And we would have done this in 2 parts. First red box and then write the combination. Numbers before and after, we've done that a lot. Shouldn't be any problems. Numbers should be faced the right way. Down here, the directions say add. Boys and girls, there's not even subtraction. You're joining together. The coin, quarter. Remember, we've learned penny, dime, nickel, quarter. And the time, all they gave you was the dot, dot. You have to write the time and what goes here. We've learned time to the hour, half past, and we'd call that quarter past. Remember, counting by fives. And Mom and Dad, these are skills we've learned. Of course, it's been a few days. Maybe we've done the clock, so maybe practice a few of those. But it just kind of gives you an idea what they're doing. Looks like from their papers they're doing really well on their math, not seem to have any problems with any of those skills. The clock is always just an ongoing practice, especially if we don't use it a lot or if they're not telling time. Kind of sometimes easy to forget where that minute hand's going. And of course with our coins, as I've mentioned many times, dime, nickel, quarter, all gray, unless you can kind of see it and hold it. Sometimes it does get a little confusing, but the quarter is the biggest size we've learned and the biggest number, okay? And the back would just be a fun page of patterns. I wouldn't take a grade on this page. This would have just been kind of reviewing patterns that we did back more so in the beginning of the year. But every little bit we see it on our math page. But again, these kind of the skills they should have mastered. Again, we're making sure numbers are faced the right way. But if they need a little reminder to get that number faced the right way, that's okay too. But go ahead and work on that. Boys and girls, you have done a great job today. You've worked super hard. Keep up the good work. Remember to be kind, be helpful. Give Mommy and Daddy a big hug because they're doing a great job working with you at home. And I'll look forward to seeing you another day.